Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the age-old debate. Water versus fruits. What's the best way to stay hydrated? We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for our health and well-being, but did you know that our foods can also significantly keep us hydrated? Water-rich foods can be as effective as plain old H2O in helping us stay hydrated throughout the day. Hydration is critical to maintaining optimal health. Our bodies comprise about 60% water. Every cell, tissue, and organ needs water to function correctly. From regulating body temperature to aiding digestion and nutrient absorption, water is essential for keeping our bodies running smoothly. If left untreated, dehydration can lead to a whole host of issues, including fatigue, headaches, and even more severe health problems. While drinking water is a great way to stay hydrated, consuming water-rich fruits can also be a delicious and nutritious way to boost your hydration levels. Fruits like watermelons, strawberries, and oranges are packed with vitamins and minerals and have a high water content, making them an excellent choice for staying hydrated. These fruits can help replenish lost fluids and electrolytes, especially during hot summer days or after a challenging workout. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of consuming water and water-rich fruits for hydration, and share some tips on incorporating these hydrating foods into your daily diet. So sit back, relax, and prepare for an informative and engaging discussion on staying hydrated through food choices. Let's quench our thirst for knowledge together. Benefits of water consumption. Water is often called the elixir of life, and for good reason. Not only does it play a crucial role in keeping us hydrated, but it also offers a myriad of benefits for our overall health and well-being. Let's explore the advantages of consuming water for hydration and why it's essential to prioritize it in your daily routine. First and foremost, water plays a crucial role in regulating body temperature. Sweating, our bodies lose water, leading to dehydration and overheating. Staying adequately hydrated can help our bodies maintain a stable internal temperature, especially during hot weather or intense physical activity. In addition to regulating body temperature, water is essential for aiding digestion. Water helps break down food in the stomach and intestines, making it easier for our bodies to absorb nutrients and eliminate waste. Without adequate water intake, digestion can become sluggish, leading to bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues. Furthermore, water is crucial for nutrient absorption and detoxification. Water helps transport essential nutrients throughout the body, ensuring cells receive the necessary vitamins and minerals to function optimally. Additionally, water plays a crucial role in flushing out toxins and waste products from the body, helping to keep our organs and systems clean and healthy. When it comes to hydrating foods, water-rich options like watermelon and cucumber are excellent choices. Watermelon, for example, is about 92% water, making it a refreshing and hydrating snack. Cucumbers are also high in water content, with about 96% water, and are a great addition to salads and smoothies for an extra hydration boost. In conclusion, consuming adequate water is essential for maintaining proper hydration and supporting overall health. From regulating body temperature to aiding digestion and detoxification, water is a powerhouse nutrient that should not be overlooked. So remember to drink up and stay hydrated for a happy and healthy body. Benefits of fruit consumption. Fruits are delicious and refreshing and offer a wide range of health benefits, including hydration. Let's look closer at the advantages of consuming fruits for hydration and how they can play a vital role in keeping our bodies well-nourished and hydrated. One key benefit of consuming fruits is their abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Fruits are rich in essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, crucial for supporting hydration and overall health. Vitamin C, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and promotes immune function, while potassium helps regulate fluid balance in the body. Fruits, due to their high water content, also contribute to overall hydration levels in the body. Many fruits, such as strawberries and oranges, have a high water content, making them an excellent choice for staying hydrated. Incorporating hydrating fruits into your diet can help replenish lost fluids and electrolytes, especially during hot weather or after physical activity. Strawberries are a great hydrating fruit, comprising about 91% water. Not only are strawberries delicious and versatile, but they also provide a good source of vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants. Oranges are another hydrating fruit with about 86% water content. Oranges are known for their high vitamin C content, which can help boost immunity and support skin health. Incorporating a variety of hydrating fruits like strawberries and oranges into your daily diet can help you meet your hydration needs while reaping the benefits of their nutrient-rich profiles. So next time you feel thirsty, reach for a juicy piece of fruit and give your body the hydration and nourishment it craves. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Hydration levels in different foods. We often consider reaching for a glass of water when staying hydrated. But did you know that many fruits and vegetables also contain high water content, making them excellent choices for boosting hydration levels? Let's compare the hydration levels in water and various water-rich foods to see how they stack up in keeping us hydrated and healthy. Common fruits and vegetables are packed with water. Some varieties boast water content percentages rivaling or surpassing plain water. For example, watermelon comprises about 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits. Cucumbers are another hydrating option, with an approximate water content of 96%. Other water-rich fruits and vegetables include strawberries, oranges, celery, and lettuce, all of which contain high water percentages that can help contribute to your daily hydration needs. When comparing the hydration provided by water versus fruits, it's essential to consider the additional nutrients and benefits that fruits and vegetables offer. While water is vital for maintaining hydration and supporting bodily functions, fruits and vegetables provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to enhance overall health. By incorporating water-rich foods into your diet, you hydrate your body and nourish it with essential nutrients that support optimal well-being. Consider creating a visual representation or comparison chart to better understand the differences in hydration levels between water and various water-rich foods. This visual aid can help illustrate the water content percentages of different foods and highlight how they compare to plain water in terms of hydration. By visually seeing the hydration levels of common fruits and vegetables laid out alongside water, you can better understand the hydrating potential of these food choices. Incorporating water-rich foods into your diet and staying adequately hydrated can help you maintain optimal hydration levels and support your overall health and wellness. So next time you want to quench your thirst, consider reaching for a hydrating fruit or vegetable to keep you refreshed and revitalized. Incorporating water and fruits into daily diet. Staying hydrated throughout the day is essential for optimal health and well-being. By incorporating water and fruits into your daily diet, you can quickly boost your hydration levels and reap the benefits of these hydrating foods. Let's explore practical tips on including water and fruits in your meals for optimal hydration and overall wellness. One creative way to enhance your water intake is infusing it with fruits for added flavor. Add slices of fruits like lemon, cucumber, berries, or mint to a water pitcher and let it sit for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld. This infused water tastes delicious and provides a refreshing and hydrating alternative to plain water. Experiment with different fruit combinations to find your favorite flavor infusion. When incorporating hydrating fruits into your daily meals, consider including them as snacks or desserts. Snacking on fresh fruits like watermelon, grapes, or apples can help keep you hydrated between meals while providing a natural source of sweetness and nutrients. For a satisfying dessert, try blending frozen bananas with berries for a creamy and hydrating fruit sorbet, or top yogurt with sliced peaches and a drizzle of honey for a refreshing treat. It's essential to emphasize staying hydrated throughout the day to support your body's functions and overall health. Drink water regularly, especially during and after physical activity, to replenish lost fluids and prevent dehydration. Hydrating fruits into your meals and snacks can further boost your hydration levels and ensure you get various nutrients to support your well-being. Remember, hydration is vital to feeling your best, so prioritize including water and fruits in your daily diet for optimal hydration and overall vitality. Cheers to a hydrated and healthy lifestyle. By understanding the benefits of water and fruit consumption, you can take proactive steps toward improving your hydration levels and overall health. Water is crucial in regulating body temperature, aiding digestion, and supporting nutrient absorption and detoxification. On the other hand, fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that hydrate the body and nourish it with valuable nutrients. It's important to remember that staying hydrated is about drinking water and incorporating hydrating foods like watermelon, strawberries, and oranges into your diet. These water-rich fruits can help replenish lost fluids, provide essential nutrients, and keep you refreshed and energized throughout the day. We encourage you to make conscious choices regarding staying hydrated through food choices, whether reaching for a glass of water, snacking on hydrating fruits, or infusing your water with flavorful additions. Every step towards better hydration can positively impact your overall well-being. To stay connected and continue learning about health and nutrition, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. By engaging with our community, you can stay informed, inspired, and motivated to prioritize your health and make positive changes in your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards better hydration and wellness. Remember, hydration is vital to feeling your best, So let's raise a glass to a hydrated and healthy future together.